AI will not replace graphic designer, but graphic designer who are using AI will replace those who are not using it. So welcome guys, welcome to Trendy channel. In this channel we'll talk about how to grow as a graphic designer. We'll provide materials, create tutorials that will help you to grow as a graphic designer. So there's this thing I've been noticing among graphic designer of late. This fear of AI has come to replace me. AI is not replacing any graphic designer. You will only be replaced when you're not using AI. So those that are using AI will be the one to replace you, not AI on its own. As a matter of fact, AI is not a shortcut. AI is now a basic tool for all graphic designer. So if you're not using it, then just know that there is a tool that you're neglecting that is responsible for your growth. So now this is the case. So we believe AI is a shortcut, a shortcut, a short way to actually get what you're looking for. No, gone are days that graphic designers were living with that mentality and ideologies. So now AI has become a basic tool. So in 2026, if you're not using AI, then automatically you are outdated as a graphic designer. I don't want to go ahead of myself, but let's take this video gradually. So one of the biggest mistake you're doing as a graphic designer is you not using AI in assisting yourself. Now, this is not me now trying to encourage you to be lazy, but this is me trying to encourage you to be updated in respect to the changes and the innovation that is taking place in the graphic design industry. So you see those things that you pay to get, some of those things that you pay money, pay in dollars, pay in naira to get, AI is actually giving you for free. Something like mockup. There are websites that before you mock up, you need to pay for their premium version. But those mock-up with your right prompts on AI, you will get it for free. Something like fonts. There are certain fonts that you cannot as well get. But if you see the fonts, you can identify the fonts with AI. Then you go to your website and download it. So if you don't know how to download fonts as a graphic designer, I've actually done a video on that. So just check in the description of this video, or I will for easy shortcut, I'll put the video somewhere here. Are you seeing now? Now something like background erasing, AI has become another option for things like that. So you no longer pay for any premium app for you to be able to carry out your design effectively as a graphic designer. AI is there. The one that made me to be dumbfounded, the one that made me to be speechless is the text effects, especially for the phone graphic designer. There are certain text effects that we could not create except we use photo p, or we create it with Photoshop, then save it in our phone, then use it for design with our phone. But now with you can go online, download any text effects, create your theme or create anything that you want to turn into that text effect, and tell AI to actually turn this particular image to this particular one. And in a space of 5 minutes is much. In a space of 10 seconds, 1 minute, depending on your phone, depending on your location, and depending on the availability of network, you will get your results. So I'll be showing you certain text effects that I've been able to generate with AI. And if you want me to show you how I did that, comment in this video. Are you with me now? So I'll be showing you certain text effects like this, like this, like this. So all these text effects were created with AI. So if in 2026 you're not using AI to enhance your graphic design journey as a graphic designer, then there is something that you're missing out on big time. And time is coming whereby this thing will become a big problem to you. So don't just assume AI is coming to replace you. No. Those that use AI are those that will replace you, not AI itself. Then secondly, AI helps you to generate ideas. There are a lot of tutorials today. Some of the things that people convert into courses. Some of the things that people convert into courses, these are the things that AI simplifies. These are the things that AI gives you for free. So the reason why you actually need a coach, despite the presence of AI in this graphic design journey, is to feed from their experience. So aside that, AI has been a big tool, a big backup, and a big foundation that anybody can start their design journey with. So if you're still struggling with your design journey as a graphic designer, hit my DM and there's a course I've created. This course will help you too. This course will skyrocket your journey as a graphic designer. It entails how to get any background at all. It also entails how to enhance image, how to include lights, lens or light effects on your design. So there are a lot of things that you actually get from this course. So actually hit my DM. The course is just 5,000 naira. So if you're watching from any of these African country, the course is also available on Seller. So you can just go on Seller, make your payment, send me your proof, I send you. Then also join my live section every Wednesday by 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. on WhatsApp. So just join there. There we talk about graphic related matter where we help you out of experience. So guys, like this video, like this video now, subscribe now, share with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.